Here we have this question. It says, how many protons, neutrons, and electrons respectively are present in the what element? This is called the cobalt. So pay close attention. It's very easy here. So now whenever you see something like this, for example, here we have X, A, and Z. Now what you want to understand is that these are elements. And when you see an element, you see two visible stuff here, A and what Z. A is what mass number. A is what is the mass number. Z is what atomic number. Atomic what number. And atomic number, you also say that what as proton what number. Do you get? So now what you want to understand here is that A is always equal to what Z plus what N. N is what neutron number, Z is what atomic number, A is what is the mass number. Do you get? So if you look at this stuff here, the mass number, the mass number here is going to be 60. So mass number is what is 60. Now the atomic number is what is 27. Atomic number I also say as proton number. Proton number is what 20 what 7. Hope you are following. Then how do I get my neutron number? My neutron number here is going to be my neutron number, which is N equals to A minus what Z. You get when you make sure you saw the formula here. So that is you're going to be 60 minus what 27. This is our 27. So 60 minus what 27. Here we have 33. 33. So neutron number is equal to what 3. So that neutron number is what is 33. I hope you see that here. Then what will be my electron number? Okay. Now, if you want to get your electron number, you first check if this element is neutral. In a neutral atom, the proton number and the electron number are the same. Do you get that? In a neutral atom or element. So because the neutral element here, my proton number is what 27. So then my electron number is going to be what 27. This is how to get it. So if you want to learn more, check on this video. We have done a complete video on structure of atom. I will see you there.